How to do a pedicure at home. Nothing is better than a soothing pedicure to relax your feet and make them look pretty. Here is what you need for a pedicure at home. Nail filer and nail clipper, nail polish remover, cotton pads, towel, bucket with hot water, shampoo, scrubber, pumice stone, body wash, moisturizer or a foot cream, and a nail polish is optional. Step 1. Clean your old nail polish with remover and cotton pads. After that, file your toenails. Step 2. Mix some shampoo in the hot water bucket and soak your feet for 10 to 15 minutes. Now scrub your each foot, using a pumice stone or a scrub. Step 3. Take your feet out of water and dry them with towel. Apply foot cream or moisturizer once you're done. To make it more perfect, apply some nail polish if you wish.